So first, as you can see, I have the cashews that have been soaking overnight in filtered water. That's like the key ingredient to making this magic, of course. So we're starting off with the crust. I'm going to use pecans and almonds, plus shredded coconut, unsweetened, and salt. And I'm going to start grinding that up just because it's pretty full. And coconut oil. And maple syrup. And of course, a splash of vanilla. Make sure you line your pan with parchment paper. And then press that crust in there nice and firm. You can use your fingers. I find this broad spoon really nice. Okay, time to make the cashew cheesecake center filling. We have our soaked cashews. We're gonna add coconut milk, real maple syrup, lemon juice, vanilla, and finally coconut oil. Okay, now let's go ahead and blend it up. So now that it's all blended up, you're going to need to divide it into equal parts for each flavor. The 5 colors that I've suggested are red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So those flavors are strawberry, mango, the green one is lime and avocado or kiwi, blueberry, and blackberry. The blackberry looks really cool. So you choose what colors or flavors are important to you, and from there you can decide how many you want to have, 4 or 5, 3, 2, 7, whatever. Take the full amount of the mix of the filling of the cheesecake. You're going to want to divide it by however many flavors and colors you have. So for this, it's going to be 5. We'll divide it by 5. So each section will have to be 1/5 of the main filling. Obviously you get it. I don't have to explain it to you. You're smart. So each time you make a new flavor, you need to rinse out the blender in between, because you don't want to contaminate each of the colors. You don't mix them up and swirl them around until the very end, because you want to make it look really sharp. Alternatively, you can shrink yourself down so that your head is small enough to fit in the blender, and then lick it out, because you don't want to waste any of that goodness. But when you do this, be safe. I don't want anybody blending their face in there. So unplug the blender when you do that. Alright, get it? Let's do this. Strawberry. This will just be a guideline for the amount that you'll need for each one. And you're going to want to taste each one in between to make sure that the flavor is what you want. Mango. Lime, avocado, or kiwi. Blueberry. Blackberry. And now it's time to layer. And to give it a kind of more random look, you can just give it a little cut through a little bit. That'll make it look a little bit more interesting when you cut into it. Look at that beauty! So now that goes into the freezer for a bit to solidify. Alright, good morning. So I froze it overnight. Now it's time to decorate it. I'm going to decorate it with some flowers that I've picked from just local wildflowers. And for ears and for the horn, I'm just going to use carrots And yeah. So to show you, this is how I cut the carrot. And then this is the ear that I have. So you can see it just fit on like that. Ain't she pretty? See the back. Yeah, so decorate it how you want. Still got carrot. That hair belongs there. Alright, gonna cut it open and we'll see what it looks like. Please like this video, share it with your friends on social media, comment below on what you thought, and subscribe to our channel. And if you shrank your face down to get inside the blender before, make sure that you get yourself back to the normal size and enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys.